In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from Trustwallet to Binance. It's pretty easy, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the step, how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from Trustwallet to Binance. So it's pretty simple. So for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is basically an exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And Trustwallet is a place where you guys can store your crypto. So how you guys can transfer is, first you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance, and log in into your account. After you log in into your account, you want to go on wallet and you want to go on overview. After you go on overview, basically what you want to do is you want to go on this, deposit section over here. After you go on deposit section, you want to click on crypto deposit. Once you go on crypto deposit, basically what you want to do is you want to select Dogecoin from over here. So I'm going to click on select coin and I'm going to write Dogecoin. Doge. You can also write Doge, which is the short form of Dogecoin. After you write Doge, you want to click on Dogecoin over here. After you come over here, basically you want to select the network which you want to use. I'm going to use BNB network. And I'm going to click on OK and I'm going to copy the wallet address over here. After copying the wallet address, I'm going to go on my Trust wallet and click on where it says Dogecoin. After I click on Dogecoin, I'm going to click on where it says send. Once I go on send, I'm going to paste the wallet address and enter the amount of Dogecoin I want to transfer. And then I'm going to click on continue. After you click on continue, it's going to ask you for confirm transaction, which means you want to click on this button over here. Since I do not have enough Dogecoin on my Trust wallet, it's not allowing me to confirm. But if I had, then this button would have been highlighted and I could have clicked on it and it will be transferred to my, Binance account. So that's basically how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from Trust wallet to Binance. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus. Now remember, when you're copying the wallet address, even a single word or a single letter is misplaced, basically it's going to be transferred to the wrong wallet address. So make sure to copy the correct wallet address. And remember, when you're transferring Dogecoin, copy the wallet address of Dogecoin. Don't copy the wallet address of Bitcoin when you're transferring Dogecoin. If you copy the wallet address of Bitcoin while transferring Dogecoin, then your Dogecoin will be lost.